Today we're going to do an unboxing. I have been hearing about the 100 strand clay beads pack from Amazon. So the person I follow on YouTube suggested these, so I went ahead and bought them. So of course I put the link in the description. So I ordered 3 things. So let's take this stuff out of here. Let me slide this over. Ooh. Okay, so first thing I bought was, this is 4,000 white beads, and I believe this was $5.99. I will double check, but I'll have this link below because I use more white than anything. So we'll open that up in a second. Let's see. And then I bought more of the, oh, this is a small one, the Crystal elastic, 0.5 milliliters. Sorry, that's my job coming through. So here we go. 0.5 millimeters elastic string for bracelet. And this always comes with the needles. It's always good to have extra needles around. I don't usually use these unless I'm doing seed beads. And then I'm still using my Stretch Magic, which I prefer, but a big one of this is $15.99. This one I believe is $5.99, and they're both comparable. So this is, oh, it is the same size. I thought I was kind of getting low on this one. This has lasted me forever. So it works really, really well. I will tell you when I am, see, it did snap. So I'm finding when I am really pulling tight with my knots, this tends to break. Where the Stretch Magic, if I'm pulling it really, really tight, it doesn't break. So you could argue that this is, you know, better for the price. However, who is gonna pull, you know, their bracelet this hard? Like, I'm really pulling. I tend to double up on these, especially if I'm using heavier beads like the Halloween skulls that I've been making. These beads are a little bit heavier, not by much, but I like to double up on them, and this one's doubled up. Just doesn't have as much stretch, but it's much more secure. Okay, let's get to, also made the skull with these glass beads, and they kind of glitter. These here glitter in the sun. Super pretty. So I have 1, 2, 3 more of the big skulls yet left, and I have little ones, so I'm going to be making those. But I ran out of clay beads. I didn't run out of all of my clay beads. I ran out of the colors I was using for my skulls, which was a really dark green, purple, and black. So let's see what comes in here. It's just on Amazon as 100 strands of clay beads, and it's like 43,000, I forget how many. I'll put it in the description. All right, so it comes in a Ziploc, and then it's in another bag. It is heavy, I'll tell you that. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Here we go. All right. And we're going to count these. I won't put you through the counting. Wow. So these are definitely longer than the traditional clay beads that you get in like Joann's fabric. It's usually half this size, and I forget how many come on there, So this is double. I can 19 inches long, so it's going out of the camera. So it is quite a bit of clay beads, and I'm looking, it looks like, so here's one orange, here's a darker orange, and then a darker orange. So it looks like you get one strand of each color. Let's see if this is a fact. I will probably speed this section up, but I want to see what we get for beads. There are 100 strands, and as you can see, they're all, so you have, these are definitely white, so you get 2 white, then you get off-white, and then you get different shades of like orange and red. So let me just pick up these. So I would say, you know, like these two are really, like, they're all very close in color. I don't know if you can see that in the sun off screen, probably not. But when I put them under the sun, they're definitely all different colors. Like these two may be a little close in color, but you can see, actually, this one is a little more redder than this one. So if you were stuck, you could use these two together. And then pinks, there are definitely few pinks that are similar. So these are here, and then you have these light shades of pink, all pretty similar. And then these are different. This one could, nope, it's more green. So these are all different greens. These two are the same. It's like a muted green. And then you have your purples. These two look really similar. This one's a little darker. And then you have more greens. These two look similar here. These two. This one's a little, yeah, these could be similar. And then you get into the yellows, again, fairly similar, into the kind of browny, orangey colors. For the blacks, you do get 2 blacks, and you do get 2 of this, it's kind of like a really dark brown color. 2 blacks, here's like a gray, and then these are, grays are pretty similar, these two are the same. And then you get into more of the bluey colors. I think this is a glow in the dark. They all look pretty uniform. I mean, I'm not inspecting every one, but they all look pretty similar. I mean, the size, like the way they're cut, they're all really similar. They're basically the same. I'm just showing you the quality of them. Yeah, so I think for $45, and if you wanted to just really stock up on an array of different colors, I think this is a good buy. Actually, I think it's a great buy because you get so many different colors, which I think is awesome. And you can just mix these together and make some great bracelets. Let's look at the white. Let me get these out of the way. None of the strands were broken, and the only piece that was hanging around was this one, and it's broken. So out of that whole pack, only one was broken. All right, let's open this. This is a scoop I got off Amazon. I can link it. It's super handy. I can scoop up my beads. But right now I want to open this. Okay. It comes in a nice container. Let's see, how do I open this? Opens this way. Ooh. It's a little flimsy. Ooh, yep. Oh, it comes with some stretch. Well, it's really thick. So this is too big. So this may be good for like the heavier beads like this. But here are the white. I'm very happy I got the white because in this bundle pack I only got 2 white. So, yep. And these are exactly what I needed. And again, this was like $5, I think, for 4,000 white. So was it worth it? I'd say definitely. But definitely always look at Hobby Lobby or Michael's for your coupons, and if you can order online, and I will link a couple other supplies that I get down below. So that is my review of the 100 strands of beads. I think it was worth it. So I think you should get it. This is perfect. All right, guys. Thanks. Bye.